There's something we call PLR. PLR. Now with PLR, you can make some good money from ebooks, especially ebooks that are not yours. Of course, that's why it's called PLR, right? And then there are many ways via which you can make money from ebooks. But we are going to look at the three most common and simplest ways via which you watching me now can begin to earn some good amount of income from ebook sales, or from getting ebooks and selling ebooks every day. Now, people are in search of knowledge, okay? Like I said, there are different ways, but we shall look at three most common ones. People are searching for knowledge. People are looking for people are looking for different kind of knowledge that will move them from point A to point B. People really want help, right? And then you have this knowledge. Let's assume that you don't even have the knowledge they're looking for, but someone else has it. You can get this knowledge from someone else who has it and pass it on to the people who are looking for it. You can do this via ebooks, and that is what we are going to look at in this video. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Courage. This video, we're going to look at how you can get ebooks and make money selling ebooks. You can make a lot of money selling ebooks. I'm telling from experience, because I make a lot of money selling ebooks, selling courses, selling digital products, and I can assure you that it is one of the best ways via which you can change your life completely. Digital products, ebooks, reports, all this stuff, they are making people rich every day, right? And if you listen to this video, if you listen to every step of this video and follow what I'm going to say, you might just be the next person to have your life changed completely by just selling digital products such as ebooks. Okay, please give this video a thumbs up, right? That's what I will ask of you. Just like this video so that more people get to see my video. Now, if you are new to this channel and you'd like to see more of this content, more of content like this, please consider subscribing and also turn on the bell icon so you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I publish videos. Now, guys, without wasting time, let's get started. Let's start the reason why you are here. Now, one of the most easiest and commonest ways that people make money via ebooks is to write the ebook themselves, right? You write an ebook on a topic that is interesting. This topic has to be interesting. It has to be something that has a mass appeal, okay? A topic that many people will like and are willing to pay for. It is not enough for them to like the topic. Listen to me. It is not enough for them to like the topic. They have to be willing to pay for it. Until there's an exchange of value, until money exchanges hands, you are not making progress. You're not making a headway, right? You're not making a headway. So you can write the ebook yourself on different topics. There are many topics you can write about. You can write on. You just need to research on what are people willing to pay for. People are willing to learn how to make money. People are willing to learn how to look more beautiful. People are willing to learn how to look more younger. People are paying for security. People are paying for healthy living, healthy food recipe, healthy drink recipe, healthy meal combination, fitness. You know, people are willing to pay for stuff that are going to move their life, improve their life, and give them a better sense of belonging, right? So if you're able to come up with an ebook that helps to address any of this, how to make money, how to start and make money from affiliate marketing, e-commerce, drop shipping, international drop shipping, mean importations, how to treat fibroids, how to treat 2 minutes man, you know, stuff like this. People are willing and ready to pay for a lot of stuff like this. People are willing to pay for these things, and if you have this knowledge, you can easily pass it on to them, and then they are going to pay you to have the knowledge that you have. So yes, one of the ways via which you can make money via ebook is to write the ebook yourself, and you have to write on a topic that people are willing to pay for. I've made a series of videos on this channel discussing this very topic, this very one now. So if you'd like to learn more on topics that you can explore while writing ebooks, you should check out on my channel playlist. You will see the playlist about digital products, courses, and ebooks, right? That playlist has all the videos I've made about digital courses and ebooks. Get there, watch those videos, and you'll learn more on the topics that you should write about. Because the aim of this video is for you to start up this ebook business and make money off it, right? If you are doing it for charity, you don't want to make money off it, that is very fine. That's okay. Okay, that's very fine and fantastic. We appreciate that. Personally, I am not doing my own for charity at the moment. It's of course it's part of the process, right? We'll get to a point where we'll do these things for charity. But for now, I'm doing these things to help people and to help myself also to make money doing it. So the first way is to write the ebook yourself. There's something in your head that people want to know. There's a knowledge that you possess. There's something in you that people are willing to pay for. It could be that you know how to bake cakes. It could be that you know how to produce tie and dye, all the stuff, tie and dye that they used to dye clothes, right? It could be that you know how to produce what's it called? Dyes. They used to dye hair to make hair black or different colors. Different things that you see that are you think it's common. It is not common. Everybody does not know these things. If you write an ebook teaching people step by step how to get these things done, they will pay you. And this thing about ebook is that you must not price your ebooks high if you want to make money in Nigeria. The ebooks has to be very affordable for people to be able to get them, for you to be able to sell in large volumes, right? Between 2,000 to 3,500, probably between people sell for 1K, 1,500, 2, depending on the topic. It can be agro-related, agriculture, fish farming, poultry farming, goats rearing business. Come on, a lot of this stuff, right? If you don't want to write, you can pay people to write for you. These guys are called ghost writers or freelance writers. If you are into agriculture, for instance, goat rearing, many people would love to learn how to buy the goats, how to rear them, what to feed them with, how to take care of them, the veterinary area, the health, this kind of stuff. Different types of goats, how to produce feedings and stuff like this. Fish farming. If you don't know how to write it, pay a ghostwriter. They are not even expensive. They are there. Just tell them your idea and what you want. They will help you and write the ebook completely. Pay someone to design the book cover. These things are easy. To me, they are easy. They are easy step to take, to do. Right? So you get people to write for you if you cannot write. They will write it for you. Your ebook will be ready completely. So that's the step one. That's one way, rather. Then the next way, you become an affiliate. Right? You must not write an ebook or produce an ebook for you to make money from ebooks. No, you can become an affiliate for someone who has an ebook and then you sell those ebooks. When you make a sale, you get a commission on every sale that you make. That's affiliate marketing. You become an affiliate. If you know that this ebook is, for instance, my course on e-commerce right now, my course on local arbitrage e-commerce is selling for 3,000 naira. And there are people who are doing affiliate marketing for it. All right? They are affiliating for the course. So they help me, they sell to people, and on every sale they make, since it is 3,000 naira, we do it 50-50. I get a 50% commission. So once they make a sale, they take 1,500, I take 1,500. Some of these guys, some of them make 5 sales in a day. Some make 10 sales in a day. Some make 3. Some make 4. Some make 6 sales in a day. So if you calculate 5 sales in a day times 5, 1,500 times 5 would give you how much they are making in a day. Some people make more than 10K every day. Some make more than 7,000 every day by simply selling my e-commerce course that they did not create. As simple as that. Right? So you can find people who own ebooks on topics that are topics that has mass appeal, topics that people are going to pay for, and then you liaise with them, you agree on a percentage. Okay? And then you help them sell those ebooks and you take your own percent. All right? You simply give them your email address, they upload it and give you your affiliate link. Anyone that purchases your affiliate link, you automatically get your own cut. If it is 50% and the cost is 3,000, you get 1,500. If it is 4,000, you get 2K. All right? So you can have list of people who have ebooks. I'm giving you an example with my course now. Now, this is ebooks, it's different. My course is not an ebook, it's a video course. So you find people who have ebooks that some people who have ebooks are even struggling to sell it because they don't know how to sell. You can sell it for them and get your commission. If it is 5K, 10K you're making every day, it's something now in this Nigeria now that is somehow. It's something. So that's second. Then the third one, like I said, get PLR or you get a resell right. Right? PLR means private label rights. So you get a private label right or resell rights for an ebook. And you can make money selling these ebooks. You don't have to be the one to write it. You're not writing this PLR, right? Or you're not writing these ebooks. You simply get ebooks. Now the PLR is private label rights. You get the ebook, you buy it from the person, you buy the private label right, and then you put your name on it as the author. You private label it and you resell. All right? You private label it and you sell it as your own. Then there's also resell rights. Resell rights is that you get the ebook, you buy the rights from the person that owns it to resell it. You're not changing the name. You're not changing the name. The name of the person will still be there. You just buy it once, buy the rights, and then you begin to resell the ebook to people. You must ensure that if you're not the owner of the ebook, make sure that you buy the rights to resell it. If not, what you are doing is fraudulent. Okay? So how do you do this? For the PLR or resell rights, you should start by what? Start by selecting. You should begin or rather start by selecting what? A topic. The topic that interests you, but not just you, but the topic that has a mass appeal, the topic that people are going to pay for. It could be in health, it could be in finance, it could be in business, it could be in sales, in marketing, in advertising, in security, in safety. All right? Then when you discover this topic, then you proceed towards conducting an online search. You conduct a search for that topic. Then you use keywords like resell rights, PLR. When you use these keywords, you are going to see a host of links. There are going to be a lot of links that are pointing you to the sites or to the platforms where you can get these ebook materials for sale. All right? When you search for these things online, resell right or PLR, you will get a list of links that will point you to the direction of the platforms where you can pay for these resell rights or for the PLR. And then once you pay for them, you can sell the ebooks as much as you want without any problems or legal implications. Easy like that. Easy like that. Fantastic stuff. You make money, a lot of money selling ebooks. Okay? Now you can sell ebooks via Facebook adverts, Facebook groups, using influencer marketing, using email marketing, using WhatsApp marketing. These things are not rocket science. You can DM the admins of different Facebook groups that you have this ebook for sale and you want to use their platform, that their platform it fits perfectly into the topic of your material. And if they wouldn't mind, you would like to have a business with them whereby you sell via their platform. They will tell you outrightly that either they're interested or not. Okay, if they're interested, how much are they going to pay? Are they going to charge you? They tell you, you pay them, and then you use their platform to sell, to promote your ebook, or you pay them by commission, whichever one that works for you. The same thing with influencer marketing. They post about the ebooks with the links, and then people click on it, they buy, and you get paid. The same thing with email marketing. You go online, on Facebook, on Twitter, anywhere, you make a post requesting for people who has a sizable or a large email list that you can use to promote your material. You pay them, or you agree on percentage also, but you pay them, and then you use their email list. They blast the email for you. You don't need to. These things are not rocket science. Go online there, make a post, request for people who have large email list or WhatsApp list that aligns with the topic of your ebook, and then you use their services to make your sales. Facebook ads works perfectly. I use Facebook ads. Till tomorrow, my ads are up running. bringing in money every day. If you have something here, you can convert it to a product, which is ebook or digital course, and sell to people and make money. All right. Now, if you are interested in making money via ebooks, go ahead now and start making researches. Start with your research. You have a smartphone, you have the internet. Nothing can stop you. I promise, nothing can stop you. You have a smartphone, you have the internet connection, you have an active brain. Nothing can stop you. You can make as much money as you want. Yesterday, I saw someone on Twitter saying that he made about 3 point something million naira in a month selling ebooks. I smile. Many people are making money. Some people are sending me DMs of how they are making money selling ebooks after watching my video. I smile because these are the possibilities that the internet has provided. Go to my channel now, go to the playlist section of my channel. You will see the digital products, the courses and ebook section. Watch those videos and learn how to proceed and how to make money selling ebooks and getting financial freedom. All right. Once you get the ebooks, set up your advert, you start selling and start making money. Okay. I wish you greatness. I wish you the best. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you like, you comment. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Share this video with as many people you know will find it helpful. Thank you once again for staying with me on this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers, guys.